Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, JDBC, select mobiles. Try, this keyword introduces a block of code where exceptions may occur. The purpose is to catch and handle any exceptions that might be thrown within this block. String SQL query equals, select ID, brand name, model name, price from mobile order by brand name ASC. This line defines an SQL query string. It selects columns ID, brand name, model name, and price from the table named mobile and orders the result by the brand name column in ascending order. Prepared statement equals conn.PreparedStatement, SQL query. It creates a prepared statement object by preparing the SQL query. The conn variable is assumed to be a previously established connection to the database. ResultSet equals PreparedStatement.execute query, executes the SQL query and obtains the result set containing the rows returned by the query. The result set represents the table of data returned by the select query. While ResultSet.next enters a loop that iterates over the rows of the result set. ResultSet.next moves the cursor to the next row, and the loop continues until there are no more rows. Int ID equals ResultSet.getInt ID retrieves the value of the ID column from the current row in the result set and stores it in the variable ID. String brandname equals ResultSet.getString brandname retrieves the value of the brandname column from the current row and stores it in the variable brandname. String modelname equals ResultSet.getString modelname retrieves the value of the modelname column from the current row and stores it in the variable modelname. Int price equals ResultSet.getInt price retrieves the value of the price column from the current row and stores it in the variable price. System.out.println ID plus brandname plus modelname plus price prints the values of ID, brandname, modelname, and price for the current row in the specified format. PreparedStatement.close closes the prepared statement to release resources. This is important for good resource management. Catch, SQL exception E, begins the catch block. If any SQL exception occurs within the try block, the code inside the catch block will be executed. E.printStackTrace prints details about the exception, including the type of exception, a description, and the stack trace. It helps in debugging by providing information about where the exception occurred. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.